Hi, welcome back on What Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to record a hyperlapse in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To this operation, slide up, go to the settings. No, go to the camera right now. Yep. Now on down, click on the more, and there is a hyperlapse here. Yeah, there is a hyperlapse, so you can record it. But the video should be long, because hyperlapse is when you video some traffic or stars. Yeah, that is a hyperlapse, so the video will show you the very fast video. Yep, in that case. So let's see how it look anyway. As you see, the video is very speedy. Yeah, that's it. This is the hyperlapse. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.